everyone, mabuhay yung madyaw. By the way, I am Julian Bulasito Anganya. Welcome to El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. Our national tour itinerary, which is 3 days and 2 nights. So our day 1, the pick-up place is at Rio Airport in Nido. Pick-up time is 1 p.m. and the departure time is 1:30 p.m. Our travel time interval is 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. And the estimated time arrival is 2:30 p.m. for our first stop, which is Nagkalit-Kalit Falls. So, Nagkalit-Kalit Falls in El Nido is a popular destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers, providing a serene and picturesque setting for relaxation and exploration. So, the activities we have, swimming, we can take a photo, of course, and our duration of stay is 1 hour. So, the estimated time duration is 3:30 p.m. and the travel time interval for our second destination is 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, our estimated time arrival is 4 p.m. for the second stop, which is at Rio Beach. So, Rio Beach is a great spot for water sports like kayaking and paddleboarding, relaxing with sunny shores, swimming, and enjoying beach side dining. So, the activities we are swimming, snorkeling, and paddleboarding, and our duration of stay is 1 hour. And estimated time duration is 5 p.m. and then our travel time interval is 5 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. For our last destination, so our estimated time arrival is 5:30 p.m. Check-in at Charlie's El Nido Hotel, a secluded hotel surrounded by lush landscapes, just at 10 minutes drive from the airport, and a 3-star hotel in El Nido, Palawan, with inclusion of 2 breakfast and dinner buffet. So these are the amenities in hotel. They have swimming pool, fitness center, yoga room, Charlie's Kobo, and baking studio. So after dinner, you are free to roam around and explore the hotel's facilities. And lights off is 10 p.m.
Hi everyone, mabuhay ug madyaw. I am Erica Gonzaga. Our day 2 is island hopping, pick-up point Charlie's El Nido Hotel, and with a call time of 5:30 a.m. Breakfast 6 to 7:30 a.m. Arrive at El Nido Beach for charter pickup 15 minutes. Departure time 8 a.m. and the travel time interval 8 a.m. to 8:17 a.m. for the first stop of our tour. First is Helicopter Island, also known as Payong Payong Island, is a small island in El Nido, Palawan, featuring an iconic helicopter-shaped formation that has become a popular tourist attraction and photo opportunity. So the activities is swimming, snorkeling, and photography. So duration of stay 30 minutes. Estimated time duration is 8:47 a.m. and the travel time interval is 8:47 a.m. to 9:02 a.m. Estimated time arrival is 9:02 a.m. and the second stop at Pinagbuyutan Island, a small island featuring a picturesque beach with crystal clear waters, lush vegetation, and towering limestone cliffs, offering a serene spot for swimming, relaxation, and snorkeling. Activities: swimming, relaxation, snorkeling, and photography. So the duration of stay is 30 minutes and estimated time duration is 9:32 a.m. and the travel time interval 9:32 a.m. to 9:52 a.m. Estimated time arrival 9:52 a.m. and our third stop is at Talisay Beach, a tranquil and picturesque beach with powder white sand, crystal clear waters, and a stunning views of the surrounding limestone cliffs, perfect for relaxation and swimming. Activities: swimming, snorkeling, and photography. Duration of stay 30 minutes. Estimated time duration is 10:22 a.m. and the travel time interval 10:22 a.m. to 10:27 a.m. and estimated time arrival is 10:27 a.m. for our fourth stop at Hidden Beach in El Nido. Also known as Secret Beach, is a secluded beach in El Nido, Palawan, Philippines, accessible through a narrow passageway or a swimming offering serene and picturesque spot for relaxation and swimming. And our activities: swimming, snorkeling, paddleboarding, and photography. Duration of stay, 30 minutes. Estimated time duration, 10:57 a.m. Travel time interval, 10:57 a.m. to 11:02 a.m. Estimated time arrival, 11:02 a.m. And for our fifth stop, Star Beach, a secluded and serene beach with powder white sand, crystal clear waters, and stunning views of the surrounding islands, offering a tranquil spot for relaxation, swimming, and sunbathing. So activities: swimming, relaxation, photography. And duration of stay, 30 minutes. Estimated time duration, 11:32 a.m. Travel time interval, 11:32 a.m. to 11:37 a.m. And estimated time arrival is 11:37 a.m. for our sixth stop at Matinloc Shrine, also known as the Shrine of Christ the King, is a whitewashed statue of Christ located on Matinloc Island in El Nido, offering a stunning views and peaceful atmosphere. Activities: swimming, snorkeling, and photography. And our duration of stay, 30 minutes. Estimated time duration, 12:07 p.m. And the travel time interval, 12:07 p.m. to 12:34 p.m. And estimated time arrival, 12:34 p.m. for our seventh stop at Nakpan Beach, a stunning 4.5 kilometer long stretch of white sand beach lined with towering palm trees, crystal clear waters, and picturesque views, offering a perfect spot for relaxation, swimming, and sunbathing. Activities: relaxation, swimming, and sunbathing, with inclusion of lunch while on board. So duration of stay is 30 minutes. And estimated time duration is 1:04 p.m. and the travel time interval is 1:04 p.m. to 12:54 p.m. Estimated time arrival, 12:54 p.m. back to El Nido Beach to van pickup with 15 minutes, arrive at Charlie's El Nido Hotel. And free time, 1:09 to 5:30 p.m. to avail the different amenities at Charlie's El Nido Hotel. And dinner is 6 to 7 p.m. and lights off is 9 p.m. And that's the end of our day 2. So let's proceed to our day 3. Pick up point, Charlie's El Nido Hotel. Call time 7 a.m. Departure time 7:30 a.m. So travel time interval is 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Estimated time arrival 8:30 a.m. for our first stop at Taraw Cliff. It is a towering limestone cliff offering a panoramic views of the surrounding islands, beaches, and crystal clear waters, perfect for hiking, sunset watching, and photography, with inclusion of snacks. And the activity is hiking, sunset viewing, and photography. So duration of stay is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Estimated time duration is 10 a.m. and the travel time interval is 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Estimated time arrival is 10:30 a.m. for our second stop, El Nido Town. This town is charming coastal town and municipality in northern Palawan, Philippines, serving as a gateway to the famous El Nido Islands and lagoons with a lively market, restaurants, and accommodations. And the activities is local market visit. Duration of stay, 30 minutes. Estimated time duration is 11 a.m. and the travel time interval is 11 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Estimated time arrival, 11:15 a.m. for the third stop at Beach House Restaurant, a beachfront eatery serving delicious Filipino and international cuisine, offering stunning views of the surrounding islands and relaxed tropical atmosphere. And of course, the activities is lunch. And duration of stay is 1 hour and 30 minutes. estimated time duration is 12:30 p.m. and the travel time interval is 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Estimated time arrival is 1:30 a.m. Arrive at Charles El Nido Hotel for our check-out time, which is 2 p.m. and travel time interval 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Estimated time arrival is 2:30 p.m. for the last stop at Leo Airport, El Nido. The airport is situated about 5 kilometers from El Nido town on the Taytay El Nido National Highway. Leo Airport El Nido flight to Davao flight. Estimated time duration 3 p.m. and that's the end of our tour.
This is our national tour map, the day 1, the day 2, and last is the day 3.
Mabuhay o Madyaw, I am Jasmine Calon. So I will discuss the do's, don'ts, exclusion, and inclusion. So first, I will discuss the do's. So first, treat local and environment kindly. Second, follow tour guidelines and regulations. Third, respect local customs and traditions. Fourth, prioritize safety for yourself and also others. Fifth, keep area tidy with clean as you go mindset. Then next, our don'ts. So our don'ts are avoid offensive language and behavior. Second, stick to our itinerary. Get permission to change it. Don't consume alcohol and also use substances. Fourth, never participate in activities that could endanger wildlife or disrupt natural habitats. So next, I will proceed to discuss to our inclusion and also exclusion. So first, I will discuss the inclusion. Hotel pick-up and drop-off, tour guide, transportation, boat ride and life vest, entrance fees, all fees and taxes. Next, returning flight ticket and fares. That are the inclusion. So I will proceed, and last, our exclusion. So there are 3 exclusion. So first, souvenirs, tips, and other expenses incurred outside the inclusion.
Buhay ug Madyaw, my name is Jessica Durante and this is the National Tour Cruise Team. So our total number of packs is 12 and next is direct cost, which is accommodation in Charles El Nido Hotel with breakfast. 10,500 for 3 nights times 12 is equal to 126,000. So next, our food and beverage cost, which is lunch at the hotel 500 times 12 is equal to 6,000. Dinner at the hotel 350 times 12 is equal to 400,200. Island hopping lunch 500 times 12 is equal to 6,000. The total cost is 16,200. And let's proceed to our airfare, which is Air Asia. 4,297 round trip ticket times 12 is equal to 51,564. And our transportation cost, which is tour guide with meal fee, is equal to 2,500. Van rental or boat rental with fuel is equal to 8,000. Driver's fee with meal fee is equal to 2,500. And the total cost is 13,000. And let's proceed to our entrance fee. Nagkalit-kalit Falls, 200 times 12 is equal to 2,400. Leo Beach is without fee, together with Helicopter Island, Pinagbuyutan Island, Talisay Beach, Star Beach, Nakpan Beach, and El Nido Town. Hidden Beach, 200 times 12 is equal to 2,400. Matinlog Shrine, 200 environmental fee. And the Taraw Cliff, 200 times 12 is equal to 2,400 and the total cost is 7,400. Total cost per itinerary 214,164 times 0.30 with desired profit. So 64,242.2. So 64,242.2 plus 214,164 is equal to 278,413.2 divide 12. So is equal to 23,201.1. And the total price per person is 23,201. And that's the national tour posting.
Hi everyone, my name is Marjorie Zabati and this is our local tour monthly income statement. First, net sales. The tour sales, 545,480 pesos. Our total gross, 545,480 pesos. Our direct cost, first, food and beverage cost, 279,600 pesos. Transportation cost, 120,000 pesos. Entrance fee, 20,000 pesos. The total is 419,600 pesos and 125,880 pesos. Our indirect cost, first, administrative cost, 1,500 pesos. Second, advertising and promotional cost, 2,000 pesos. And the total is 3,500 pesos. Our net income before tax, 122,380 pesos. Our income tax within 8%, 15,297.50 centavos pesos. Net profit, 107,083 pesos and 107,083 pesos over 5 and 21,000